If you have the plan to come to China, please read our next service tips. It will help you to save your time and expense. Step 1. Contact us. Please let us know your house area and layout, style you like, and your budget. We will provide scheme for your reference as per your requirements. Step 2. Leave 2 to 5 days. You will get an entire furniture tour itinerary in China based on your time requirements. We can also help you book hotels and recommend authentic local food. If you want to travel in China after finish the furniture purchase, we can also assist you with the tour group. Step 3. Visit our showrooms and factories. We will provide you with an available pickup service and help you arrange transportation throughout the journey of taking you to visit our showrooms and factory and select products on site. We have experienced designers to provide you with professional suggestions. Step 4. Confirm your order. After confirming items, you can also customize the size and the material you need. We have more than 900 materials for your options. After that, we will sign a contract and place an order to start production. 5th. Door-to-door shipping. We will do professional QC tests for you after all goods finished and send you photos and videos for confirmation. After that, we will arrange international logistics to deliver the goods to your doors. Finally, we also have a professional after-sales team. If you have any after-sales questions, we can offer the solution to solve it as soon as possible. As a Chinese high-end furniture factory with 18 years experience, we not only focus on creating high-quality furniture, but also on providing excellent services, which makes more people buy high-end furniture with reasonable price much easier. If you are interested in us, please feel free to contact us.